We're Catherine and Michaela Pantrashek. Together we design and build the most beautiful bathrooms in the Lakes region. We are Winnie Designs.
We just got done our first bath in our beautiful new bathtub. Thank you, Misha and Cat. We love our bath.
Hey, Kat.
Hey.
I have a question for you.
Oh gosh. What's up?
Why did a scarecrow win an award?
Why did a what?
A scarecrow win an award
I don't know, Misha. Why?
for being outstanding in his field.
Ha. Thanks.
Do you get it?
No, I don't.
He's in the middle of a field.
Yeah, and he's a crow.
Okay.
Usually stands there.
What's up?
Nothing. Just working on this next bathroom. This bathroom will actually be a 2-part bathroom. So we'll do the tub and the walls first, kind of this area, and then we'll work on the floor and the rest.
Seems pretty easy.
Yeah, it'll be pretty quick. Hoping it'll be like a 3-4 day job, this first part. Subway tile, super easy. So
This is local. I can get this done over a weekend.
yeah, it's actually in Connecticut.
There's a town called Connecticut in New Hampshire.
What? No, in the state of Connecticut, honey. They're actually these clients you know very well. So
Who this?
these are some of our good friends, and they desperately need their tub done because of the baby. So instead of doing it in the summer like we planned, we're gonna do the tub in this area first, and so that way they can bathe the little baby in a nice tub instead of, I believe their tub right now is pink. And then we'll come back and finish the rest in the summer. So, and then this is what we're gonna think we're using. Thank you. So subway tile, and then inside the niche, when I was talking to her, they kind of want something, a little more modern. The glass will be nice.
Oh.
Yeah.
You thirsty? Yeah.
So we're hoping, it'll be quick, 3-4 day job, and then it'll be done, and we'll go back in the summer.
All right. Well, thank you for this one.
It'll be quick, 3 days, 4 days. Maybe you can get your brother to help.
That'd be great. All right then.
We'll see.
Oak, say bye.
Bye.
All right, we're here is our next project. This is the Connecticut Mission. We're gonna take this beast out. I'm gonna put a really nice subway tile niche right in there. New tub, sink-in tub, and all new plumbing. And we're just gonna focus on that. This trip around, second trip, we're gonna get the floor done and the vanity. I've recruited Brother Taras.
Nothing's gonna get done.
Yeah, he's the muscle in this operation. So here we go. We're gonna do some demo. This freaking tub. How much you think it weighed?
Nothing more than you, so like 300 pounds.
300 pounds. This freaking tub is like 400 pounds. It was so hard. This is cast iron. We smashed it with a hammer and like absolutely nothing happened. So we had to like wrestle it out. And now we're just gonna sled it down the stairs right into that door opening.
Remember the Home Alone?
Home Alone style.
I should be helping him probably.
Oh, we're good. So our hydroban board latticrete system is in. As you can see, all our seams are tight, waterproofed. Corners are nice and cured. Same thing with our niche here. That's all ready to go. We're gonna do an 50% offset pattern with these Schluter strips on the edges to kind of close that off. So the window is gonna be slightly inside the shower, inside the tub. I'm gonna start my pattern in the corner and work my way out, just because the window is gonna break up the pattern anyway, so you'd never want to start in there. And on this side, the curtain closes, you know, the cutoff ends here anyway, so you want to have the nice corner patterns done. And then inside, we're gonna have really cool scallop glass tile. It's gonna look really nice. So there we go. Tata Roman is gonna be here a little bit later to help me with a little bit of this, and we're gonna try to knock this out today. This whole big shower tub thing. All right, cool. I wanted to show you guys something. I want to show you how freaking lucky I am. My tile, full piece, no cuts, no nothing, goes right there. I mean, I gotta put a spacer here, but it comes out perfect. That just never happens. You know, I eyeballed the location of that niche, like about 48 inches off the ground, whatever. And look at that. Oh, made my day. All right, well, thanks. It is done. Here is our successful expedition. So this was the first part of the project. Second part is going to be to redo that floor, but got all our corners done. 4x12 subway tile. We have those scallops in the middle. All this stuff, once it dries up, the grout lines are gonna lighten up a little bit, but at the moment, that's what we got. Really cool shower head too. They have a kid, so it's gonna be really easy for them to, you know, give baths or shower together and all that. So, well, that's what we got.
Huge! Heavy! Yeah! Thank you!